dog. Okay, done. Let's do my King Juice too. But how are we gonna do
Hey, save your tablet. I know, so we can look at it and tell we were small.
Okay.
Let's post them on YouTube. Okay? Say hello, you guys. That's a nice dog.
That's
No.
a really nice dog.
I know.
Oh, we're gonna see hello guys, I think that's my house.
I think that's our
Like
dog.
maybe somebody lost him.
So that's gonna be our.
Not lost.
What?
Maybe I know who's owner's son. It's close by.
Lydia.
Yeah.
He's- Open the window. Okay, that's a really nice dog. He lives at Lydia's. He came from Lydia's. It sounds like Old Point. So he's really trained. So he's a nice dog. He does paw. See? He does paw. That's a really nice dog. Okay. We might get a picture of him. Okay.